Yes, I think I have been with CMO Ginny since 2021, and it has been a great journey. It has been a great learning experience with CMO Ginny because the peer networking that we have, the collaboration and idea sharing on almost on a daily basis that we have, it has been amazing. And on professional front, yes. The promptness and quickness that we have in the group is something that I love the most. And because the moment you put some answer or put some question or some query, so a lot of people DM you that we can help you in this, or they just give you the lead that you can take it forward from there. So this has been a great experience. I'm really overwhelmed to be in this group, and this is an amazing experience from CMO Ginny part. And I'm really, I mean, like I think I am the one who keep on texting in group a lot, and I speak with people a lot. So yeah, thank you for that. I think the real time support is something that is very much setting CMO Ginny apart, because the moment you ask something, like I said, the moment you ask something, some or the other CMOs would take up. And above everything, this is a group where it's not newbies, and it's not something that you always have to look forward for a second answer, since we all are experienced people and they are very deep industry experience. So the answers that you get, the support that you get, the queries are resolved on a very prompt as well as on a very professional and full of experiences. So you really don't have to think twice whether this can be this way. Whatever the ways have been suggested can be there can be a second option. So yes, so it's a very thoughtful group that I have. And especially the master classes, all the relevant master classes I have attended, and it has given great insights from the industry. Because being on a job for a longer time, it gets monotonous, and you really don't get time to have the industry insights. But the master classes are really helping, and it's amazing. I mean, I'm really thankful for CMO Ginny for making me a part and giving me a great experience, learning experience as well as people experience.